Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going. Good morning.
Whatever.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to give a presentation on the topic personality development. Before starting our presentation, let me introduce me and my team. My name is Abhi Patel. My team members are Vipul Singhal, Harshit Sethi, and Sil Sankar. What the personality means? Actually, an individual's character, behavior, attitude, social rules, emotional responses, all these constitute the personality of a human being. In simple words, we can say that an individual's distinct character and behavior and their quality is known as personality, or person's quality is known as personality. It is all about public speaking, behavior, body language, anger management, physical fitness, food habit, friend making skill, relationship making skill, learning skills, and dealing with the problem. How you deal with the problem? What is when you are speaking in public? How is your body language? And what is the behavior? That is assertive or aggressive? All these things are not into our personality. Now, why we need personality? Because personality is the more demanding for quality. So we need personality. Sometimes it is known as personal magnetism. What personal magnetism means? Personal magnetism means your attractiveness and interestingness will influence other. This is known as personal magnetism. To evaluate and examine your personality, first of all, first step is to evaluate yourself. First step is to examine and evaluate yourself. Starting from what is your perception, what are your negative emotions, what you are feeling, and what is the reality. You have to examine yourself. Here we are taking two examples. In first example, the cat is hiding herself on stairs and thinking that she is hidden for the whole world. But it is so. It is not there. She is not hidden for the whole world. She is visible. She is the perception of that cat. That she hides herself on stairs and thinking that closing her eyes and thinking that she is hidden from the whole world. It is the perception of one time. And next one, in this figure, the cat is seeing herself, looking herself on mirror and thinking that she is a lion. But in reality, she is not a lion. What matters most is how you see yourself. That is whatever you are doing, how you see yourself. That whatever I am in self-confidence and have attitude to do any work. This is the second perception. And what are the negative emotions? First is the superiority and inferiority complex. What is superiority complex? That you are feeling that exaggerated feeling is known as superiority complex. That you are feeling that I am better than others. I can do better. This is superiority complex. And inferiority complex, that feeling that I am not better than that. I can do these works. I am that one. You have to evaluate yourself these things. And fear. Before starting any work, you are feeling that you are in fear that I can't complete that work. That is a very huge work. It is hard for me to complete, and stress. If you are living your everyday work for future, that I will do this work on that day, I will do this work on that day, you will increasing your stress. These are all the steps from which you are going to evaluate and examine your complex. What personality? Next. There are four main aspects of personality. The first one is the character, and the second one is the attitude and confidence, and the third one is the behavior. Before starting the character, I want to say something here, that if money is lost, something is lost. Nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. And if character is lost, everything is lost. That your personality, your capability, your thoughts, ideas are these very important in determining your character. That means character is the main aspect of personality. That means if you lose character, you are not able to stand in the society. And as Vivekananda say a very good quotation, that all power is within you. You can do anything. You can do any work. Before starting, don't think that I can't do this, I can't do this. believe in yourself, have confidence, have attitude to do the work and do this. And second one is the attitude. I would like to invite my friend Vipul Singhal to carry the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you. Look, as the friend told that attitude is one of the major factors of our attitude also. Myself Vipul Singhal, and we have made a structure like in personality we have 4 aspects: character, attitude, behavior, and confidence. I am going to discuss about attitude. What is now, my friend? What is attitude? Attitude is our behavior which affects our status. It is our positive or negative thinking towards any people, person, event, or an event. Let's suppose an example. If there is a glass of water, then there are 2 observers. Then we can observe in 2 ways. If he say that this is glass of water which is half filled, and if he say this is a glass of water which is half empty, both are the same thing, but their views are different. One say in a positive way, one say in a negative way. Likewise, like same negative any person, sometimes negative emotion, negative views leads to ego. So ego, I just want to say about ego, remove the wording and let it go. I am here to discuss you about positive attitude. What positive attitude is. If we see an iceberg, we always think that it is so big. But in reality, what it is not like that. It is only the 10% which we are seeing. The 90% which will give base to it is hidden from us, from the whole world. The same concept is applied to the human being also. The 10% which the world will see is knowledge and skill. The thing which provides the base to it is nothing other than our attitude, which is unknown to others, which is hidden from the society or the world. Now, this slide. What's make your life 100% is it's very interesting figures I bring here. From A to Z, let's assign A to 1 and B to 2 and up to Z to 26. Now we can say that I have skills. I make my life 100%. If we assign skills each corresponding letter, if we add them, it will summarize to its summation leads to 82%. But still 18% is missing. Now someone say that I have knowledge, I make my life 100%. If we sum each letter corresponding to the numerical character, it will leads to 96%. Still 4% is missing. If someone say I do hard work, I make my life 100%. Then if we add all the characters, all the numerical values, it will leads to 98%. Still 2% is missing. If someone say that now the what make life our 100% is only attitude. If we add all the numerical values corresponding to the letter, it will leads to 100. So this will become life 100%. Now what the positive attitude can do? You can do everything, but may not possible that you can do it once. It will take time. You can do everything, but may not possible that you are best in every time. Maybe some deficiency will become, but you cannot bother at that time. You can do everything, but you may also need some help from others. Now, this is the live example. A candidate from the post of news broadcaster was rejected because of his voice, and it was told to him that you will never become famous because of your obnoxious long name. Can you guess what is the name of that person? If someone guess right, I will give something to him or her.
His voice.
Any guess?
Yeah, go.
Yeah, you're right. As I promised you, I have to give something and give a big round of applause to you guys. So now the second, third aspect is our confidence. Whenever we are standing in the group or we have to speak in a mob or in front of people, we are always being afraid of it. This is nothing but because of the lack of confidence. Now I will invite my friend to speak on confidence.
Thank you, Mr. Good morning, friends. And now I am going to share my views on behavior. And first I will talk about self-confidence. And self-confidence is the perception of our ability. What can we do? That is our self-confidence. And where we are missing the self-confidence, I will say some points
points on lack of self-confidence. That is like a self-doubt. When we are doubting of ourselves, so whether can I do this or can't I do that? That is what lack of self-confidence. And one more thing is, I will introduce one point, submissiveness. Submissiveness is like something like you are sacrificing something for others. And once you are sacrificed, twice you are sacrificed, thrice you are sacrificed. And your mind will program for that, you are going to keep on sacrificing. That lead you to force by dominated by others. That's what that is one more perception of lacking self-confidence and isolation, sensitivity, criticism, depression, feeling. Those things mainly comes because of individuality, staying alone. That's what. And if we see here, cat is walking in front of dogs. It's something like it is walking in front of death. That is not self-confidence. And how this in general is not possible, but it made it just possible due to self-confidence. And how to increase self-confidence? First thing is you have to think positively that I can do everything. That leads us to become self-confidence and set realistic goals. Means whatever the challenges we have to set our goals because that. Means immediately I can't fly on to Mars. So for that I have something. I have to set goals for that, not immediate goals. We are reward or praise yourself when you do well. This is like self-satisfaction. We have to get satisfied when we do something and when we do our best. We were out our task. We have to limit to our task and think logically about situation. Don't react. This is many stars who are in a good position. We could observe them and they don't promise to anybody. They used to give their promises, their interviews depends on situation. They never promise for anything. This is one more aspect we have to keep in our mind. Well known your strength. And we have to have a clarity in our strength, whatever the strength we have. And the behavior is the main aspect which will cover our personality. And if you lose, as my friend said, that if you lose character, everything is lost. And if you lose money, or nothing is lost. You could get money and that lost. But behavior is the main aspect in that. You have to have good behavior. And assertiveness. Assertiveness, as we have seen in the diagram. And I could see 3 types of behaviors. Like I already mentioned that submissiveness, that is like you are sacrificing. And assertiveness means you are negotiating to get, at the end of the day, you have to satisfy the others also you have to satisfy. Their negotiation happens. Aggressiveness means you are forcing others to get something. That is what aggressiveness is. And okay, this is in this diagram I want to say that this is the main backbone of self-confidence. Why? Because when we are in it's something like in the 10th step, we are supposed to think about the 11th step. Means we have to think about our higher goals. Means we are at Central University, we are not go for we are not to think for JNT or some other institute. You are supposed to think about not something like that. It is something like realistic goals. And now I want to invite my friend Ashit to share his views on self-confidence.
Thank you, Shankar. Hello everyone, I am Ashit Sethi. And up till now, my group members have discussed about personality very nicely and about various aspects of personality. So in next couple of minutes, I will discuss about how to improve your personality and how to achieve success. So if you want to achieve success, then you should know your strength and you should know how to use it to the full of extent. And also, if you know your weakness and you can manage it, so you can easily achieve the success. And the SWOT analysis is a technique which helps you to achieve and analyze your strength, weakness, and opportunity and threats. These are four main factors which are in SWOT analysis. As you can see right now, the strength and weakness are the internal factor of SWOT analysis, and the opportunity and threats are the external. And strength and opportunities are helpful for us, and weakness and threats are the harmful. So, what do you mean by strength? Strength is the core capability of you over others. Means you can take advantage of strength over others, and on the other hand, weakness is the core capability of others over you. And the opportunity is the environment which can help you to growth and to achieve success. And on the other hand, the threat is somewhat which is out of your control and can harm your growth. So, and time management. Time management can also help you to improve your personality, because time management is a very essential part of our life. And time management means the time management is the process of exercising and planning of conscious control over the amount of time spent on specific activities, especially to increase effectiveness. So, if you can manage your time, you should make your success. So, how can you manage your time? First thing is make a list of various things which are you do regularly, and then set the priority according to your set the priority among the all things, and make it happen. So implement in your life regularly, and then analyze your changes, and after some time you see you will improve, you have after you will be improving personality. And the surest way to be late is to have plenty of time. Means never procrastinate. Means you should do your work in time. Don't forward it tomorrow. Conclusion is how to improve your personality. You can take regular actions. Means you can work hard regularly and analyze your personality and various factors, strengths, opportunities, so that you can improve your personality. Second is you can't just improve your personality by saying winning personality before mirror. You have to work hard and you have to work upon it. And the last thing is write down your next 7 action plan, next 7 day action plan, and try to implement it and try to analyze it. At last, I want to say about this, share about the success, some lines. Success is a journey. Developing a winning personality is not a hit and miss affair, nor a matter of luck, but a conscious and focused effort. Thank you.
तू ही कर ले.
Ready.